Hi guys! In this video, let's do a work problem. So, the problem is, a family of 5 people are going on a 7-seater car. The mom and the dad are the drivers. All the kids can sit anywhere in the car except the driver's seat. How many ways can they all be seated? Let's find out! Okay, so here, let's draw the 7 seats in the car. Okay, so here there's always the mom or the dad as drivers. So first, let's say the dad is being the driver. So here, the mom and the 3 kids can sit anywhere. So let's say the mom sits here, and these are kids 1, 2, and 3. So here 2 seats would be empty. We know, so here there are 6 seats remaining in the car without the dad. So 6 factorial divide by, so we have the mom and the 3 kids. But we have 2 zeros over here. So if we have 2 zeros, that means it must be 2 divided by 2 factorial. So this would equal 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. So we don't need the 1 because it's not going to do anything. So we divide by 2 factorial is 2. So we just cross out the 2, which equals 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. So here, that would equal 360. Okay. So here, there are 360 possible ways everyone can be seated. But what if the mom was the driver? So here, let's erase the mom and the dad. So here, let's swap them. So the mom and the dad. So if we switch them and do it, but it would equal the same thing. So if we do it, it would still be 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which we know equals 360. So that means all we have to do is add both of them. So if we add 360 plus 360, technically 360 times 2, it equals 720. So that means the family of 5 people can sit in a 7-seater car 720 ways. So they can all be seated 720 ways. So that's the answer. Let's do math every day. And like this video.